entire soul. And all of this is coming from the depth of my heart, sings this great singer.
इशरत ज़ोबत है कुबाही गनीमत समझो इशरत ज़ोबत है कुबाही गनीमत समझो ना हुई गालिब अगर उम्र ये तभी ना सही ना हुई गालिब अगर उम्र ये तभी ना सही जो मुमकिन है वफा से हो फरेब उन पे क्या चले क्यों बदगुमा हूँ दोस्त से दुश्मन के बाब में इश्क तासीर से ना उम्मीद नहीं जान सिपारी से जेरे बैद नहीं है और भी दुनिया में सुखनवर बहुत अच्छे कहते हैं कि गालिब का है अंदाज़े बयान ना हुई मेरी मरने से तसल्ली ना सही
Sir?
Mirza Ghalib, this praises are sung by, was born in Kerala's Cochin.
बड़ी मस्तानी है मेरी महबूबा मेरी जिंदगानी है मेरी महबूबा आने से उसके आए बहार जाने से उसके जाए बहार बड़ी मस्तानी है मेरी महबूबा मेरी जिंदगानी है मेरी महबूब
While preparing the tea, you're singing Ram Sahib songs, right? Hey dude, it's really awesome, man.
Do you have a doubt in that? Just drink the tea, then you will know I am an artist.
You are not a normal artist, man. You're a very big artist. To be frank, you shouldn't be here, man.
The one who is blessed by God can only be author, you understand
What
that?
you say is 100% right. Have you heard the call for the bong in the morning? That is also an art.
Exactly.
Do you know the biggest artist of our town, Mehbooba, has once said, he says bong is of Bhairavi Ragam.
Is it so?
Yes.
Hey, hello brother.
Hi man.
Okay.
Don't you have anything for breakfast?
She does all that at home and brings it here. She will come now with all our favorite food items. She'll come in another 5 minutes.
Going to shop, isn't it?
Yes, you're going to the church, right? I know.
Go fast, otherwise boat will leave.
Hey you, why are you so late, man?
I went to took this bag, that's why delayed. Huh. Oof.
Hey brother,
Yeah?
1 minute. Could you please hold this?
Okay.
Oh,
Hey, wait, man, I am also coming.
You just get in, man. Okay, move on.
What is this Jew girl's name? Some kind of fish's name which is not in the river. Don't pull her leg. Her name is something different. That's it.
Maria Fish.
Oh, what a nice name. yeah. Our Samoa's Maria.
Hey, take it, yaar. Hey, I know,
please,
I
please.
know.
I don't have any money,
You
okay?
got it in your
Hey,
underwear.
don't
Hey,
do
get
that.
it, get it. Hey, take it,
Hey,
take
hey,
it. Hey,
please.
don't lie, take it.
Huh? He thinks he is the one of the best guy in this area. Huh? Don't you have any sense?
Hey, don't talk loudly. If he hears means he will kill you right now here itself.
What? Don't waste time, get going.
Hey, what man? You want to beat our boss? Huh?
Hey.
Nothing, brother. You don't know about our boss. If he touch means you will die on the spot.
Hey, don't make a scene. Get lost.
Let the boat come.
Hey, make it simple and short, yeah.
They were the one who brought boats here. They also brought electricity into our town. All because of the Jews.
Come. Yes, come forward.
Hey, he's
Hey,
there, man.
Look there. I think we can earn more today.
Hey,
Stop,
why are you standing
stop,
here,
hold
man?
on,
Sit
stop,
down.
Stop.
Come fast. Get down immediately. Get down,
Hey,
man. Go
collect
back.
the money first.
Hey.
Be alert.
Take your
Go,
cycle
go.
here.
Come, next.
Hey,
Where is the money?
I don't have
Huh?
any cash.
No
Now
money?
look who is
You
coming. The
idiot.
queen is coming.
You just shut up, okay?
Hey, old lady,
What?
shut your mouth and go.
Hey,
You
old
go
lady,
in.
keep your mouth
Go.
shut. If I get
Tell me
angry,
what?
I don't. Hey, tell her
What's
what
your
will
problem?
happen.
Tell me.
Hey,
Hey, you listen.
Hey.
Be careful, otherwise we'll push you into the backwaters.
Nobody has
You
money.
just
in-
go.
pay the money,
bloody
huh? Go.
Boss.
Next.
Did you hear what she said?
Though all the Jews left to Israel, this guy married a Jewish girl. She is the only Jewish girl here.
One light tea and one strong tea.
Sadashivam, get me a medium on hot and sweet.
For me, double strong. I want double strong in the morning itself.
Chandru, you get me a tea which I can drink.
Hey, what is this? Everyone is asking in a different way. Someone need in a light way and someone need it in a stronger way. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
I pray all my distinguished guests here. Make my tea with sugar more, milk more, okay?
Then it's better
Oh my
to drink
God.
a kheer.
My salutes to my sister also.
At last our snacks arrived.
Please give my tea a bit faster, please.
I finished my tea. Now you are bringing the snacks.
It's been a little late.
Brother, it's been a long time the ship has come here. My situation is really pathetic.
He doesn't need gold, diamond, things like that at all. He needs cosmetics, powder, shampoo, the watch, camera, things like that only. He only sells these things, but people call him smuggler. Isn't it funny?
Eh.
Hey, Mastan, do you know which was the first hit song of Cochin?
I'll tell you. Listen to me. In 1954, Maria Kutti of our own town, Cochin, produced a movie called Neelakuyil. Bhaskar Master wrote the song. Raghavan composed the music. Our own Mehboob Bhai sang a song for the movie.
I have listened to his songs during my young age. A lot of times, you know.
There were a lot of friends of Mehboob Bhai with him on that day. Every evening, they all meet together. Once they assemble, they'll all sing lovely songs.
Oh my god,
Ah.
those songs are in a different level.
Why have you opened a business like that? Stop all this rap and zap music from that and go and search for a good and a reasonable job, you beggars.
These guys are totally useless. They don't know about songs, art, anything funny.
Useless guys.
Let me go continue my fishing. That's my livelihood. See you later.
Okay, carry on. Hey, Francis, When are you going to keep that drama sport here?
We need a heroine, right?
She is going to take care of the heroine role.
Is she?
Why? I should not act as it. If I act as a heroine, will a tsunami happen?
Definitely tsunami will not come. It will be a very big success.
After I close the shop, we'll have the rehearsal here at
Okay.
Sister, you need double strong tea, right?
Yes,
Just 2
yes.
minutes.
Okay, I'll catch you later.
Okay,
Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go.
back.
There is
go
lot
back.
of
Hey,
space,
this
man.
guy
Get
is
away,
there, man.
get away. Just
Give
go.
me
I
that.
need cash, man. I have to get a
Okay,
bottle.
okay, get
Why
inside,
don't you
yeah.
just
I have to
get
get a
this?
seat, yeah.
Yes.
Don't you know? I need a cash. I got to get a bottle, yeah. I need to drink.
Seems like a ship there. Is it Musk Line or Vogue Line? Hey, folks! Hey, Musk Line is coming in.
Hey,
Is it?
Must
Hey,
be,
get
must
ready,
be,
get ready,
yeah.
get ready.
Come,
Come, come, come.
Come on.
Let's go, let's go.
Get it, get it.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
Hey guys, ship has come. Come on, guys, come on. Let's hurry up. Come on, come on. Oh. Come on, guys, let's hurry up.
Go fast, go.
Masculine ship has come. Brother, masculine ship has come. Hey, Parni. Hey, Perumal. Hey, Muthu. Come quick. Masculine ship has come. Come on, guys, let's go. Hurry up.
Hey, brother, masculine ship arrived. Hey, come on. Go fast, man.
Hey, Zakir. Hey, Zakir Hussain. Where have you gone, man?
Hey, where have you been, yeah? I have been waiting for so long.
Hey, look here. Whatever is being sold in the market, buy them all and come here, okay? Understand it?
Let me try. If I get it, it's okay. Otherwise, just forget it, okay? I got this cash from my second wife's jewels, yeah. Okay, let's move on. Don't waste the time, yeah. I hold you tightly,
Hey,
yeah. Move
hey,
on.
be careful, be careful.
Move on. Nobody will see us. I have given the signal already. It's so safe, yeah.
Could you go a little faster?
Hey, just get near.
Hey, hurry up. Don't make too much of noise. He's entering the ship, right? Be silent.
Hey, make it faster, man. The persons who gave dollar to you are waiting there with full anxiety. Go faster.
Hey, you just keep your mouth shut, okay? I know everything.
Okay. Do whatever you wish. Hey, careful. Be careful. Okay. Yeah, correct.
Hey, why it's getting late, yeah?
Just be quiet, man. You're just giving them the money. Smuggling is not an easy job, okay?
Sir, we have brought the products. Do you want it?
What is there? How much you want?
I have everything, whatever you want. You just give me soaps and watch alone.
Then send it immediately.
Okay. I'm sending it to you right away.
Hey, be a little silent, okay? Come on. Follow me. Hey. Come on. Don't waste the time.
Hey, make it fast, man. Fast. Oh, fantastic. Fantabulous. Good.
Oh my god. I think we are stuck up. The customs people are coming, yeah. Hey, come on, get out, yeah.
Hey,
Dive into the
jump
water,
overboard,
yeah.
man.
Hey,
Jump overboard. Come fast, come fast, jump.
Just relax. Yeah,
See,
hey,
come fast,
come
come fast, jump.
fast. Hey, nobody has come back. It's going to dawn, yeah.
I think the customs should have come
Hey,
there.
keep your mouth shut, man. I got this cash from my second wife's jewels, yeah.
Whether we have trouble from these folks or not, these crows are big trouble.
Hey, come on. Fast, man. Come faster, man. Otherwise, I will beat you with my slippers.
Hey, what, man? Has it come or not?
Hey, I haven't finished yet.
It's okay. What happened for him?
Hey, it's getting late. Finish it fast.
Are you not ashamed to see this at this time? This kind of enjoyment will not be available in a closed toilet.
Yesterday I gave him dollars for purchasing.
Previous time he escaped me with $300. You know that?
But this time you're not going to spare him. Hey, make it faster, man. Faster.
I have got the cash. I have got the cash. If the custom people come, what will I do? Come on, take this dollar and eat it.
You don't have any other places to hide this dollars or what?
Come on, yeah,
We
let's
have a
go.
work to
Come
do
on,
now.
more. Hey, count the cash properly.
Money's okay.
Brother, do you need a watch?
No, I don't want.
Do you need a watch? It's only 100 rupees.
Oh, this watch is
Sir,
100
it's new.
rupees. 10 rupees watch is 100 rupees. Get out from here, man.
Hey, idiot, will you get a foreign watch for just 100 rupees? Go quickly, else I'll kick you. He doesn't know how to use the watch itself.
Brother,
No, I don't know how to see time.
That's not for you, brother. Do anyone need a watch? Hey, where are you going?
I'm on the way going to the church. I have big offering.
Don't you have any other works apart from this? Huh?
For you what?
What for me?
I have daily offering, so I'm going to the church. For you what? I have to share my problems to
Okay,
my
okay, God will take care. Guys, her husband's situation is really pathetic. Dude, what happened? Yesterday we went to the shipwright. I got all the products, whatever I was looking for. Others met with the loss because the Navy has come. What happened? He is coming so quickly. Hello, brother. What's up? How are you?
Mehbooba is singing in Menubai's daughter's marriage.
He has gone to Madras, right? What happened for him? You know about him, right? If there is any marriage function in Kochi, definitely he will sing. During the evening time, no one should look on the mirror. A lot of people will say,
What will happen if I see?
my beautiful wife's beautiness will go low.
Let it listen. Let the people stop looking.
Let them see. Let the people of Kochi may say this beautiful lady.
Nobody needs to see like that.
Then I will see. In the marriage function, I will be singing at this moment.
Hi.
My dear friends, Muhammad's daughter is getting married. So we are going to start with a music party. Let us start now. The first song is sung by new generation singer who is well known to everybody in this town. Samur Sadhu will sing a song.
It's okay, brother. You please sing.
No, don't deny it. Come and sing.
What is this? Your husband is feeling shy. Come on, sing.
Start the music. Begin.
I have come in search of a village which loves music. To learn and write about these people, I have come to Cochin.
So at that period, photographer and a reporter would be the same person, right?
Absolutely right. Wherever you go, there will be a person who will guide you to the village. And here also, I got someone.
Is that the person you saw at the Kalat Academy?
You're right. He's the person. Look, he's the man who guided me. I have not just gone there only to know about the people of Cochin, to know about ghazals and qawwalis, dholak music sung songs, and to see the place. I have gone there. To know Cochin's tradition and history, I started my tour.
Sir, music is involved with man's birth and death.
I have understood that.
All the people in this area are artists, sir.
Hey man, you're looking really pretty. Get the shirt immediately.
Wait, I'm coming. If the shirt does not look good, you'll shout again. You're old and you're going to the singing concerts. Be careful or a crow will come and sit on you.
I know what to do. When I came this place for a program, I did a real big mistake. That is marrying you.
As if.
Listen carefully. I am the best tabbalist in this place. Listen, dear. We have to be very clean and neat. That will make others to give respect to us. Okay, do you have any change with you?
Yeah, I have plenty of coins in the locker.
Okay, leave that. Get me the perfume bottle.
You're going so stylishly for rehearsals. How will you go for the programs?
There are so many tabbalists in Kochi, but no one can reach me.
Yeah, that's right.
She's kidding you.
Hey, what are you saying? Today's program, I will rock like a rock star.
On your mixture, tabla will be broken.
Why?
Don't talk too much. Take the tabla towards the cycle, you fool.
That's not me. It's your dad.
Yeah, I have to hear is, are you taking this to cycle or not?
It would be better if you do it.
You have to kill this.
Hey!
Only because of your brother I am. I will come and teach you lesson. You don't know to respect such big tabbalist in the city.
Hey, come on. Lift it. Little bit above. How is it? From January 1st to entertain everyone in this place. Here it is coming in the church school. Ramanand's Death, written and directed by Tip Top Aziz. Everyone should come,
Our sincere
please.
request.
Ramanand's Death, written and directed by Tip Top Aziz. You would have been mentioned the artist name also.
Oh, hello. Yes, come. Hey, don't you have any other work? Just get
I
out from
told you,
this
no,
place.
this is the place of artists.
Oh, really? Then I shall get down
Okay,
here.
be careful, be careful.
Please stop.
Hey, Sadhu. Hey, Francis. He has come from the newspaper office in search of you only, yaar.
Regards. To learn
Hello,
about
sir.
you, I've come here.
Is this a school or what to learn?
If you need a photograph, please click on us.
Oh, sure.
So our drama
I
is
am
really
also
a
coming.
success.
You take me out. Take the photo. They are really cinema heroes.
Don't kid us, brother. We will definitely rock one day. You will understand at that time.
Just move to your
Our
right.
life is music and drama,
Okay.
sir. We will take him to our Mastan. He will get whatever he needs.
Why are you pushing?
Just straight.
Don't push me.
Ready? Okay.
To know about Cochin and to know about Mehbooba Bai, lot of media people have come in search of me to this place. Look here. This is Bai. Can you guess what is this? This is the first poster of the first Malayalam film. I went to Ernakulam to watch this movie 4 times by paying 4 annas. After that, I watched the same movie at Cochin Paramount Talkies 3 times. Take a closer look.
I need to meet singer Mehmood. Only you can arrange for that.
Nowadays, boy is not coming to Kochi, sir.
I heard he is living somewhere in Ernakulam. He comes to meet Abdul Advocate very often. Nowadays, he doesn't come.
What is that?
Oh, this is the official stamp. We underwent many difficulties to buy this official stamp. We start waiting in the queue right from early morning.
Why so?
Without this, they won't allow us to work in the ship.
Oh.
Now the unions are there, right?
Yes, it was nothing before.
Hey folks, we are going to music club.
I'm coming right behind you, okay?
Hey, stop. I'm also coming with
Please
you.
join.
This is our music club. To be frank, every singers will be wishing to come and sing here. It's before the independence. In Lord of Revolution, Mehboob Bai has sung lot of songs.
Yeah, I heard about it.
Could you see that? That is Yesudas' dad, Augustine Joseph.
Oh.
In the dramas, he has acted by singing also. What, brother? Are you ready? Let us start.
Somebody has come new, I think. Come on, sir. Come on. Be seated. He is a journalist. He has come to write about us.
Please sit. To hear our Mehbooba's song, even our chief minister came here. It is true.
Oh, then why don't you sing a song here?
You better sing the Chapa song of Mehboob Bhai, okay?
What is the Shruti?
Just only 2.5.
Okay, 2.5. Okay.
This is the home.
Thank you.
Bye.
Salam. Come.
Bye. Bye. What happened to you, Bye? Bye. Please don't lie on the empty floor.
From now on, I have to only sleep out here. When you take me to the burial ground, take me like a flower. I don't want to be a burden to anybody. No photos, brother. No photos. I'm already dead. From now on, my students will take care of everything. You print their photographs in your magazine.
Bye.
Don't talk much. Otherwise, it will be difficult you to breathe away. Don't make people to say something about you. Just come inside and sleep. Come on, I said. Just come on. Don't make me trouble, okay? You're not at all listening to my words.
With not even an inch of place where he can live. The man who only lived for his song and music, the song which he had sung and his memories, the loneliness which is killing him and he's not showing it to anybody. Till now, who is living? A great man.
Yummy. Bai's condition is really critical now. He is in his relative's house now, really bad. God has to bless him with little more life.
Tomorrow when I'm going to the mosque, I'll wait for you, okay? Like that, I have to go and visit the graves of my parents.
When will you come the next time?
If Allah is blessing us, then definitely we can meet on the next hoisting.
Wherever, whatever the problem is, for holy flag hoisting, they will come.
Our duty is to tell people about the celebrations. And for the job we are doing, Allah has never left us in mercy.
All
He is
God's
the
grace.
Almighty. Now we shall take leave from you.
Okay.
See you the next time.
If we start now, we can reach by evening.
Hey, where is your wife, man? That Jewish girl.
What happened, sir?
Details I will tell you later. How come the Jewish girl your wife, man?
A black Jew woman is not even married by a white Jew woman. From where did he get this girl?
Hey, you, come over here, man.
Sir,
Do you know this person? Just answer my question.
Answer the question.
I know him, sir.
Her brother.
Anyway, there is no suspicions here, so the matter is solved.
This guy has given a complaint against both of you, and the evidence is this, what I hold. I know about this document, sir. The Jew master Joseph Rofan will enjoy everything till the moon stays. All the 72 hereditary rights he has. This document declares that. Am I right?
As per the documents, you are staying in his land only.
You hand over the property to this guy, or pay the money and get your property.
I need to go to Israel immediately. All this property belongs to me and I need to put an end to it.
Settle it immediately, otherwise I will imprison both of you. Come on, let's go.
Whatever the policeman said is all true. He was born into a black Jew family. He loved Yami, the white Jewish girl, and their family did not like, and they both jumped into the sea and lost their lives. After this happened, the Jewish girl's brother didn't know how to face the relatives, and he left town of Cochin. The guy who left long back has come to town today. That is her brother.
Only after Anthony's death I came to know about this. Many Jewish families have been staying here and I never knew this is going to happen.
Brother, you do one thing. You know the chettiar who give finance. You ask money from him for interest, then we pay later.
We can pay him later in installments, okay?
Hey, dude, today do we have that
Hey,
rehearsal
hey.
for the drama? I'm not in the drama.
What? There are only 2 days for the play and you're not coming, then what?
You see, all these song, dance, drama are to entertain ourselves. Don't think of anything else. Just practice for the drama.
Yeah, what you're telling is right.
Somebody come and help.
Hey, what happened?
Oh, Allah.
Tell me what's the matter?
Could you please search that side?
Which side you want to search? Is he lying on the floor? He was hanged himself, so look there. Acting and came for acting. Do it one more.
Don't scold for them.
Somebody please come running. Help me, please.
What happened for you?
Oh, Allah.
Tell me what happened for you.
You please see that side.
Where I have to see?
Look at the top of the tree. Oh my God, somebody has hanged themselves.
Oh my god, what is this? Both of us gonna rock tomorrow for sure. You're going to see that, right? It will be a tremendous victory. Enjoy, dude.
Now is my entry, right? Yes, yes. You are going to enquire Mr. Ganesh Khan. That is the next scene. What is your name?
Ganesh Khan.
Ganesh Khan. Are you related to Rajinikanth?
I'm not his relative, sir, but I'm his fan.
Why you people putting Kant in the end of the name? Hey, why are you standing there? Come here.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Hey, you go that side, send her this side.
What are you doing that side? Come this side. Come, come.
Hey girl, what is your name?
Piyatu.
Eh? Who asked you, man? Nonsense, laughing in front of me. Stop it.
Even if she replies, she is going to say the same name.
Is she dumb? Huh?
Soon she will be
What?
mother.
When I drink whiskey, my stomach burns. When I drink brandy, my stomach burns.
Yeah, correct.
Is there any drink which when I drink
Yeah.
will keep my stomach from burning? When I drink whiskey, pour.
On the stage, you looks like a princess. Don't be shy, okay? Trees and kids are waiting for me. I'm leaving, okay? Bye. Hi, Mr. Habu. Are you came by cycle?
Yeah, I come by the cycle.
Okay.
Abaka, how was the drama?
You really played well your character. Superb. Everybody played well. Okay.
Everyone likes the drama. Once he gets an opportunity to sing, he doesn't want to act. Stupid.
Hey, move! Your drama was good. Hey, stop. Police. Try to act better than what you did today, huh?
Yes.
Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you for your session, but I can't perform overaction like you.
Hey, accusing me?
Be
Huh?
careful.
How dare you say
You're
that?
teasing
huh?
my boss. Just wait and see now.
I will not leave you. But don't worry. I don't hurt beautiful girls.
Don't make any trouble and get out of this place. Don't behave like this hereafter.
Hey, only you were enjoying with this beautiful girl. I also want to enjoy with the girl.
Hey, what have you done?
Get out!
What do you say?
Hey, you touch me!
Get out.
Hey,
Brother, listen to me. Don't create any scenes. Please leave
now
from
you
here.
say so, I'm leaving. She is the remainder of the Jewish clan.
That's what we are saying.
I
That's
will
what we are
definitely
saying.
come back for her, definitely.
Hey, you idiot.
Don't
Get out.
like
with
this.
us, okay?
Please
Be
go from
careful.
here. Go immediately.
Brother, you say so, I'm going now.
Go first.
Oh, brother, leave, come, everybody.
Hey, move out,
get out.
man.
Get
Come on,
out.
come on. Hey! Hey!
Panchi, tomorrow you have to come with me to the bazaar. You know Chettiar, right? I know him very well. Hey, listen, dude. Be careful, okay? That guy is really dangerous. They will do anything. If I'm fair of them, we can't live freely in our place, okay?
Pay, then you're gone. What all the money you have given, the principal and the hotel will be gone forever.
Hey, be careful, otherwise you will be banished.
Hey, don't scare him. Take his signature. Now give. You sign here.
Come on, dude. Done, sir.
Today is the first day of the rugged wrestling competition. The fight is between Anthony and Electric Rohan. Fierce fighting is happening here. Both the participants are excellently doing their wrestling. We are watching a very tough and serious fight here. It is very difficult to say who will win in this competition. You can see it from clearly. And how dedicated they are fighting. See how he is winning his competition. Wonderful. My dear people, cheer them up, cheer them up, cheer them up. This is a very important part of this wrestling competition. We can create and see who is going to win. The audience is encouraging our participants. Be on the ground. My dear competitors, come on, get up and fight. Audience, you should cheer them on till they win the fight. Somebody is going to win. Who is going to win? No one. This is a very important timing. Yes, Now I think we can predict who is going to win. Audience, cheer up the competitor.
Who the hell is this?
What's happening there?
Boss, huh?
The wrestling
Stay away from here.
competition.
What will you do?
Get away from here.
I'll get away. But I will take this girl along with me and go and enjoy
What did you say? Hey, get away, boss. Hey, catch him. In front of the boy, what are you doing? Hey, you bloody idiot. Hey, you.
Before the next competition starts, there is a small interval.
I've heard that in the world there are 9 people who look alike.
Let them be 9. Let them be even 9,000. But this is Samamar Swasigaram. As far as I know him, I need to interview him tomorrow. I just want to make it clear. Why is he interested in Mirza Ghalib's song?
Ghalib sir was living his life like a celebration only. Music was the one, the world for him. He was able to touch others' hearts with the words whatever he had within him. He's not a normal person.
All over the south, in particular Cochin and Calicut, his ghazals were very famous in these areas.
It's due to Mr. H. Mehboo's efforts. Ghalib sir's songs and the ghazals are also established.
Do you know personally Mehboob and his place in Kochi?
I know very well. During Mehboob Boy's time period, I lived there. But emergency.
According to the Constitution of India, under the section 352, from today onward, entire India is under emergency rule. This is our duty to inform this to the people. According to this law, from today onward, 4 or more people should not group themselves against this respected government secretly or through public meeting to gather together. From today onward, it is prohibited. If anyone acts against this, those people will be arrested immediately. This is an announcement for the public. According to the Constitution of India, under the section 352, from today onward, entire India is under emergency rule. This is our duty to inform this to the people. According to this law, from today onward, 4 or more people should not group themselves against this respected government.
Hey, you!
Sir,
You come
sir,
out! Come out,
sir.
man! Come out! I say, come out! Come out!
Come on.
Hey,
I don't
come
know
out!
anything, sir.
Come on, man!
Please leave me, sir.
Come on, I said, come on!
Sir, no.
Come with me, I said, come in!
Sir,
Come with
please leave me,
me!
sir.
Come with me!
Don't disturb us.
Go, walk on, walk on! Go on, go on, I said, go on! Go, go, go!
Hey,
Go!
sir, I don't know
I said,
anything,
go!
sir.
Go,
Sir,
man!
please leave me.
Go!
Sir,
Go, go,
sir,
man, go,
please leave
go.
him, sir. Sir, he doesn't know
This
anything,
is
sir.
black and blue.
Sir,
Go
please
and
leave
go.
him, sir.
You
Go
black
and
hey,
kick you out of
Sir,
this.
sir, I'm promising you.
Come on, go.
Sir, he doesn't know anything,
Go,
sir.
man.
He's an innocent. Sir.
Daddy.
During the emergency period, police has arrested a lot of people at that time. But once the emergency was over, we couldn't track Palani where he has gone. Was he in the hospital or in the jail? No one knows anything about him. To be frank, our village has become normal only after the end of emergency.
Hmm.
I was about to see you, Chettiar sir.
No problem. That is why I have come in search of you here. You need to dance, you need to act, and you need to sing also. 3 years. 3 years, you have neither paid the interest nor the principal. Whenever my people come for collection, you tell them I'll pay today, I'll pay tomorrow. What is all this? Are you kidding with me?
I will give you immediately, sir.
Yes, if you pay, it is good for you. Otherwise, my guys are really sharp to take back the money. If I say they've hit and come, they will kill and come. If anything goes wrong, then you will have nothing to blame on me. Hey, come on, turn the boat, man.
Hey bro, do you know the news? That Parini came back. It's very pathetic to say. One leg has been removed. I have a small work, I will come later. Bye.
That day he got enough beating.
It's his luck, he didn't die.
Had he read, he will not come back. He has taken his leg. He will come back. He is a brave man. Now it's you.
Give me 2 idlis and 1 vada. Hey, don't you hear me? 2 idlis and 1 vada. Get me fast.
I'm getting you right away.
I think he has gone mad. I asked for idli and he is getting me tea. Stupid fellow. Nobody is respecting us, boss. After you left the place, everybody is ill-treating us.
And also our guru died 3 months back, did you know? After his death, everything is finished.
See here, boss. After you have come, we have regained our confidence.
I am determined. Don't worry. Now I have come back. We'll make all of them fear for us. During the emergency, you know how many people the policemen killed?
What if we leave this place forever?
What are you saying? Listen, don't get fear, okay?
First that fellow, and now this fellow.
To get escape from Chettiar and also Parni, this is the only way. I have done this kind of works earlier. That's the reason they have accepted once I told about you. Once if he say a word, no one can object him. Even the customs and police also getting fear of him. Do you know that? If he say... Buddy, he's the big shot. He's the big shot for this total sea. Do you know that?
He told me the entire story. This is a risky affair.
Without giving money to Chettiar, we can't live in this place.
The ship's captain is our only problem. All the people inside the ship is our people. If you pull the captain to our side, everything will be okay.
We don't want high quantity. Just to resolve his debt, that's it.
The silver which has to be delivered at Bombay, the copper which has to be delivered at Singapore, then the lead to be delivered at London. Let me find out where all these things are. You open the lock and enter inside. We cannot trust the Bengalis and Chinese watchmen working there. If we are lucky, even if we get lead, that is okay.
God will definitely save you, sir.
God will protect everyone. But God won't protect who doesn't believe. Come tomorrow and start the work.
Okay, sir. I'm leaving, sir. Go near, go near. Come on, quick.
Come on, come quick. Come on, buddy, come on. Give me a
Give me a
hand,
hand.
come on. Come quickly. Grab my
Grab
hand.
me.
Come on. Be safe. Come, Mama. That's all. Let it be like this. That'll be good. Okay. Show the light. Okay, I'm getting in.
Be careful.
Dude, please be careful. Hey, what is this?
Everything is perfect, buddy. If I take a second trip, my all problems will be solved. Definitely God will save you, sir.
In a place people doesn't know the pain of the other people. You consider this as a man's small favor.
Hey, don't waste time. Finish the game fast.
Boss,
Uh,
he has gone to rob something from the ship even today.
set the boat.
You don't have to come, boss. We will see him.
He has cut my foot down. No. I will report this to the customs and finish that guy off. Come along with me.
Come on, let's go.
Hey, give me a hand.
Hold my hand, boss. Hold my hand.
Hey! That bastard cheated you! You can't do anything here!
What are you saying?
Don't just stare at me! Jump into the water! Hey, turn it!
Boss, you have done a good job.
Once he reaches the shore, I want to break his head into two. Hey, Sadasivam, let's celebrate with a song.
A brown girl in the ring, la 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 la. Brown girl in the ring, la 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 la. Brown girl in the ring, la 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 la. Brown girl in the ring, la 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 la. Brown girl in the ring, la 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 la. Boss, I think it's going to rain.
Yes. Heavy rain, I suppose. Let's get in. Come on.
Hey, come on, let's go. Boss is calling now.
Yeah, come.
Hey, come and catch that guy. Yes, come.
Hey! Bastard! Coming!
Whoever it is, beat the hell out of that guy too.
How dare you are cheating my person? You should not live anymore.
Big brother, I made a mistake. I was angry with this guy.
I will never leave cheats and pins. For few days, don't come in front of police. Go hiding somewhere. Go. Keep this and hide somewhere for few days. till I tell you, don't come to this place.
Hey, hey, who is this?
Oh my god.
Just say him.
We don't know
Do
who
you know
this
him?
is. Who could it
Have you
be?
seen him?
Brother, please move. Let me see.
Hey, hold.
Okay. It's like.
Hey,
Hey,
don't run.
don't leave
Stop.
him. Don't leave him. Catch him. Catch him. Catch him. I said, catch him. Catch him. Stop that. Be there, man. Hey, stay there. Stay there. I said. Stay there. Hold on to it. Hold on to it.
I haven't killed him, but everyone know that we had vengeance. It's because of the incident happened during the wrestling. They had the doubts on me. To save me out of this, that Big Shot tried a lot, but he couldn't. Court has given the life sentence for me. Yami once came to the jail. No relatives for us also. How long she can be there alone?
Even I had come to visit you in the jail. Do you remember me?
Hey, man. Hey, man, get up. Get up, man. You have a visitor. Come.
No one is there to read my death news. A singer who runs a tea shop. What you're going to write about him, sir?
No, please. I've come here to tell you something else. Our Mehbooba is no more.
रहिए अब ऐसी जगह चलकर.
In 1930s, in British Army, in Havildar's barrack, this small guy was running some errands for them. Bengalis, Rajasthanis, all these people were there in the army. There a small boy was singing Mirza Ghalib's Urdu poems. That particular boy became Cochin's famous singer Mehboob.
When people came to know this and went to see there, they were totally upset to see no one around him.
Please listen to me. This is not an ordinary body to lie down like this. So many people are waiting to see this. Shall we take this body to Cochin, please?
No way. Some people have come to take his body to Cochin. He don't like it anymore. If he die here, he wants to bury his body here only.
Okay. Shall we take the body or this to the mosque, please?
Abdullah brother, our brother.
Yes, brother. Have you seen this? Come on, let's take the body to the mosque at least. Come on, come on. Take the body. Be careful. Be careful.
Yeah.
Slowly, slowly.
Yeah.
Okay, keep it down.
No, I won't allow. Don't take
Just
him
go away. Go away.
No. Please don't take him.
The death of the person who was so beloved to us, Mr. H. Muhammad, is announced here. The body is kept in Majid's house near the mosque. People can come and see. Tomorrow morning after the prayer, his body will be.
The soul which has given thousands of people of Cochin unforgettable ghazals. The body of the great singer was buried with all due respects.
Hey, time out. Come quickly. Your bail paper came right now only. You spent lot of days in this prison. From today itself, you are going to enjoy your whole life, that music and happiness. Please change this dress and come to Superintendent's room, okay? Come inside. Sir.
Sir.
Put a sign here.
Sir.
When people get released from the prison, nobody will say, see you. Okay, move on.
Dude, you're back? Dude, you're back? My dude is back from the jail. We need couple of tea. Dude, do you know her or not?
I now know who it is. All these years you were in jail. This is so unfair.
While coming on the way, Francis only told me. Then only I came to know.
Before dying, he always used to inquire about you.
Because of increase in sugar, they have cut all the fingers. He suffered for a long time. One fine day, God has called him.
Poor man, he could not eat anything until his death. He looked after me like he was looking after a baby.
Leave it. Please don't talk about it hereafter.
Look at me, I'm blabbering. Wait, I'll bring hot tea for you all.
No, not now. I'll come later.
Black Jewish people also wanted the same rights as white Jewish people to get into the temple. They wanted that rights. People who fought for our independence. He was called the Jewish Gandhi. That Salem Gocha's Cochin is this.
We heard many stories about Jews, but didn't see it any Jew.
Long ago, a man married a Jew woman here, right? Where is he now?
He is in jail for what he has not done. I am still alive here to welcome and embrace him, you know. There are lots and lots of stories. Each of these places holds hundreds of stories and stories.
Okay, we'll meet next time.
Okay, thank
Come
you.
on,
Next time I'll tell you many more stories, okay? Ah.
Come, everybody, walk fast. Come along.
Who is that?
This is me, Francis.
I cannot say any story to anybody right now. You go and come later.
I brought the guy for whom you are waiting for a long time. Eh? It's me, Samavan.
Brother, my dear fellow, how are you? I was waiting, I know very well. My dream came true. I had full hopes that you will come back. Hey, Francis, I was always telling you, no, that he will come back one day for me. I know he can't part with his town, nor with me, the old man.
Brother, how are you?
I am getting old. Not much time left for me. But I wanted to meet you before I die, and it has happened now. I know nothing will happen to me. That is what your wife told me before she left this place.
Yummy?
Hey, come on, guys. Come on. Look at that beggar. How will he repay my debits being in the jail? Remove all his belongings. Burn them out.
Sir,
Who's that?
please don't set the house on fire. I will pay you back.
You just get out from here.
I'm begging you,
Can
sir.
you repay me back money now? Can you?
Ask
Tell.
him not to take my
Tell.
belongings.
I know she has to pay you, but don't think she has nobody. She will definitely pay you back.
I know, but who will give? Will you give? Look, man, I have some principles in lending money business, okay? Give me my money, or else burn it down.
Oh, no, sir.
What?
Don't please do such things. Don't bring this child. Don't destroy her life.
Oh,
After he comes out of prison, I'll pay you back.
how are you going to give it back?
Oh, sir.
Hey, what are you looking here, man? Burn it down. Burn it. If you take money from a moneylender and don't give him back, this is your fate. Burn it fully. Burn it down to ashes, man. Do it. What are you trying to play with me?
This is very atrocious. Don't do it.
Hey, burn everything
Ask
down to
him to
ashes,
stop.
man. Now that's enough. Come back now.
God will punish you for all this.
Come on, guys. Let's go.
You won't live a peaceful life. Hey. Oh, God. Don't cry. Whatever it is, the brother could not bear her sister's problems. So with one good aim, he took his sister along with him when he left this place. He took her to Israel. They knew that someday you will come out and we both will meet. That was their only hope. So she will come back definitely.
What, dude? You're going to lie down here or itself? Come. Let's go home. Come, let's go home.
Just looking on the sky and also lying down. I'm forgetting all my worries too. My army who went the other side of the sea and also the beautiful memories about me. I'm going to stay here only tonight. You go home. Please listen my words.
What happened?
I heard something happened to Mr. Mastan.
From which place he has arrived, from which place he has born. No one knows about it, but still he told lot of stories to the people of this place. And also as per the fact of the time, he has to leave this world also. I sung in lot of marriage function and lot of occasions also. But I don't wish to live in that place. I started my journey. It's a very big journey. I know what is the effect of the hungriness. And I saw in person also. I forgot about myself and I continued my journey. I left the Kochi, which has lot of cultures and lot of religion. And this journey is all about in search of the depth of the music. Finally, that journey about music took me to a Panditji. The song sung by Mehboob Bhai and also the lyrics of Mirza Ghalib, everything I felt near me at that time when that legend was singing. The life of both Mirza Ghalib and also Mehboob Bhai was traveling on a single line, and I came to know after seeing him only. While listening to his songs, I felt very comfortable. When he was singing the songs in Hindustani music, I felt like a rainbow within my heart at that time. Panditji showed me a new life in this music journey for me.
In the dawn of the New Year's night, many people from across the world come out to Cochin for celebrations. I'll be waiting for you this year. You can come there and join us in your Cochin.
Stop the vehicle.
What happened?
Yami? Yami! My Yami is there in that vehicle.
Hey, just get into the car. Follow the vehicle. Excuse me. I want to know something. I'm a journalist. Some tourists had come here in a traveler's van.
They have gone after finishing the prayers. And some of the black Jews, they went to the sawmill godown. Check over there.
Yes, let's go there now.
Haha! Put the card immediately, man. Ah! Ha! This is what I am expecting. Thank you.
If you put the card, I would have finished the game already. Hello, where are you going, sister?
To say my prayers.
Hey, what are you saying, lady? Once upon a time, it was a prayer hall of Jews. Now people cutting buffalo here.
We used to pray here at that time.
That was that time. Now it is a good on, man. First, this place was handled by a collector. After that, collector gave to a North Indian. That North Indian gave this place to his servant lady.
Now the maid servant is planning to sell this.
If you want, you take this place.
Yeah, take it.
If you don't mind, can we pray here?
Okay, proceed. Buffalo is there, cow is there, goats are there, and even we are here. So pray for our well-being also.
Let's go there.
You
and
put
pray.
the card, man. Hey, sounds like police van.
Come on, yeah,
come,
let's
come,
go.
come.
Go,
Leave this
go,
place
go.
immediately. Come fast.
Yummy.
As long as we were living in Israel. But her heart was always with you.
गनीमत समझो, ना हुई गालिब अगर उम्र ये तभी ना सही, ना हुई गालिब अगर उम्र ये तभी ना सही। जो मुमकिन है वफा से हो, फरेब उन पे क्या चले, क्यों बदगुमा हूँ दोस्त से दुश्मन के बाब में। इश्क तासीर से ना उम्मीद नहीं, जान सिफारिश जेरे बैद नहीं है। और भी दुनिया में सुखनवर बहुत अच्छे, कहते हैं कि गालिब का है अंदाज़े बयां। इम्तिहा और भी बाकी हो तो ये भी न सही, इम्तिहा और भी बाकी हो तो ये भी न सही। जो मुमकिन है वफा से हो, फरेब उन पे क्या चले, क्यों बदगुमा हूँ दोस्त से दुश्मन के बाब में।